I wouldn't say friends, Dolores.
Good morning. So this BLM spot is actually it's a really cool spot and it's surrounded like by mountains. You got a nice valley, but it's also a popular shooting spot. So as a result, I think it could literally officially be called a dump. Like there's so much garbage here, and everyone just comes and like leaves bottles and shoots them and blows glass shards of glass everywhere. So I've already had to pick up a bunch of glass out of Champ's paws. It's just it's the same thing when I went to all the off-roading areas like the dunes and stuff. People are just really messy. Like every time I come to a gun shooting kind of area, I'm so desensitized now to the gun thing that it doesn't even faze me like it used to, which is kind of nice. You know, just different. I think I've fully become American now. I've been down here so long, but the garbage thing, man. Like, I get that they want to blow stuff up, but like, there's a lot of cleanup after you blow something up, and no one seems to want to do the cleanup part. So I've loaded a few garbage bags full of stuff near my campsite, but I mean, you need teams of people and months to clean this place up. Like, there's just so much garbage. It's a shame, really, because it is very beautiful here. There's a windstorm picking up. My phone plan has run out of fast speed data, so I need to head into town for a little bit just to answer some emails because all my buddies coming down and visiting and staying in the van have burned through my cell package. That's all right. That's why it's there. But a couple days it'll renew, and for now I just have to make little short trips into town just to hit up the Wi-Fi. Make a little bit of a plan for today. I think I'll head into Death Valley. Probably. Maybe. We'll see. Oh, alright, well, I'm taking a little break because the driving has gotten pretty damn challenging. I'm going up and down 5,000 feet in the course of like 20 miles. So my engine's overheating on one end, and my brakes are overheating down the other. So there's a lot of smoke coming from my brakes right now. I think they're still out of adjustment. I don't think the drums are kicking in as hard as they should. They're a little warm, but my front brakes are on fire. So I gotta figure out how to adjust that. I'm pretty sure one of the cylinders on the driver's side this time is leaking. So I'm gonna have to replace that one. I just did the passenger side. Anyway, I'm gonna make some lunch right now. We're only like another 15 kilometers from where I wanna go hiking, but I'm not gonna make it down the hill in one piece with the brakes like this, so I'm just taking a break and making lunch here. Let's do it. Sausage wraps. Alright, just got to the trailhead of the spot we were going to go hiking. They just put up new signs banning the last of the few activities we were allowed to do here. This is why I don't like coming to like the really popular national parks, or I will just to like take a look at them, but I'm in and out in like an hour or two tops. Everyone says they want to go to like all the big national parks like Grand Canyon and Death Valley and Zion National Park, all that stuff. Oh, I wish I could go there. The truth of the matter is, like, park like this hike is like right on the far edge of the park. You're not allowed swimming, climbing, dogs, campfires, camping, pretty much everything short of breathing. It just really sucks because I did the research, and all the research said that dogs were okay here and you could camp overnight here, and looks like they've just put up the signs to change all of that and ruined what was probably once a pretty good spot. Now, I don't know what the reasoning is. Maybe they had some hooligans and they felt it was necessary or whatever. But this is why I don't come to these kinds of parks usually, because they kind of suck big time. You can take a look, you can take a nice little Instagram photo, but then you better leave because there's nothing else to do. I think I'm just gonna go hike it and bring my dog anyway. If I get caught, but screw the rules. Well, despite the obvious crappiness of the bureaucracy here, that was actually a fantastic hike, and that waterfall was super cool, and it was really fun. And I'm just going to drive a little bit further and hit up a campground and get some more editing done. It's nice being on my own again, just kind of like quiet, do my own thing, get my work done, get caught up on the editing. That's a really big one. Feel really good about getting caught up. All right, let's hit the road. Good evening from the Alabama hills. This is apparently like a really famous film set kind of area. They record a lot of movies here, and I'm really looking forward to seeing it in the morning, but for right now I kind of showed up a little late, and I don't really get the chance to see it. I'm going to set up some time lapses and get some cool stuff anyway. I'm just going to do some editing tonight. I'm going to make a nice dinner. I have no idea what yet, but I have a lot of stuff to cook. Also, I picked up some Kern's nectar. I've never seen this one before, but I'm gonna guess it goes really well with whiskey. Alright, that's it for me today. I feel a little raw after going through Death Valley. I feel like Death Valley always kind of like the wind and the intense heat and intense everything else just kind of strips me bare a little bit. And yeah, just need some time to chill out, sit in my home, and have a good evening. Good night.